Talking about the NCC, talk about the regulation for us when it comes to the various, technology issue here. So I want to know more exactly then how did the regulation goes for us, because we have this mindset that regulation is not well done the way it ought to be. So how do you guys monitor all this regulation in place?
Well, let me correct this impression. Regulation is, being able to, create a market and set out rules upon which players will engage themselves. So as far as the telecom space is concerned in Nigeria, it's been demonstrated that the telecom industry contributes enormously to the gross domestic product. So, and that is an indication that that is regulation that is working in Nigeria. And then how do we do this? As I have said in so many fora, we have an act, that governs our operations. And then the act specifies how we license, how we promote competition, how we deal with pricing issues, how we distribute scarce resources, and how we accelerate participations, and then how we also create what you might call universal service and access obligations. So the framework is all inclusive. Making sure that we use these frameworks that I just mentioned to get everyone on board, the service providers, the off-takers, and so on and so forth.
All right, so given a percentage about what we've achieved this year when it comes to the digital world, do you think that come 2022 we'll do far better than what we've done this year?
We have to do far better than, because the networks are being upgraded every day. Here we're talking about 5G, which, as a matter of fact, as we all know, it has a lot of potentials to introduce new and emerging technologies, and correspondingly, you're going to have more and more services being delivered on the platform of 5G networks. Not only that, you're also going to talk about digital economy and how people participate in digital economy to grow our nation.
Finally, what will be your take home from this forum today?
Well, my take home is that I see enthusiasm, I see participation, I see people being encouraged to do more than they've done in the past, and I also see people, being able to clearly appreciate the work of the regulator, the NCC, in the industry by creating a level playing field and also lowering the barrier to entry in all spheres of the industry. So the questions that arose, were to the fact that Nigerians are yearning to really blossom, to really be in the front seats as far as digital economic drive is concerned.